Good morning. So today I am filming a what I eat in a day. You guys have been requesting this non-stop, so I thought this was perfect to film today. So let's get going and make some breakfast. I'm currently putting together my breakfast, which is going to go right here. I just drank a big glass of water every single day. Every morning when I wake up, I have a huge glass of water. So starting off with the bagels I'm having the Dave's Killer Bread Epic Everything Bagels. These have 12 grams of protein in them, killer toppings, omega-3, they're great. And then I'm going to have an avocado on top. So I'm going to get this ready and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so bagel, avocado, I put a little bit of black pepper on there, and I'm gonna grab myself a coffee, and yeah, done. That is my bagel done, and now I'm gonna have a coffee and a bagel and get some emails done, and then I will see you guys when I have lunch. Okay, so in my intro, I just realised that I didn't really explain the way I eat. I am vegetarian. I've been vegetarian since I was like 6 years old. It's not a new craze or anything like that. I'm not vegan, but I actually eat mostly vegan, to be honest, in my diet, not for any other reason. I just choose those foods. And I just wanted to do a quick disclaimer because I realised, obviously, you know, people might ask the way I eat, what I eat, blah, blah, blah. I like to think I eat pretty healthy and balanced. I eat pretty clean, just generally, it's just what I like. And yeah, I just thought I'd quickly jump in because I realised I never really said that. I just have my yummy bagel. That Dave's bread is so good, and also the Dave's just a normal bread as well as the bagels are amazing, but I recently discovered the bagels and they're just, oh, so good. Currently sat here, I have a sparkling water just because being fancy and all. I'm currently on hold to my insurance company. It's really fun. Drinking my coffee, it's great. We get Bitches Brew from Groundworks here in LA, and it's so good. We by accidentally, well, not by accidentally, we ran out of Bitches Brew and we had some other coffee the other day and I was like, oh god, this does not taste as good. And then in it I put this coconut almond milk, like creamer. I don't really like regular milk, I never have really. So yeah, I have that in there and it's really delicious, from Electra Farms. I'll find it and link it down below for anyone that's wondering. And yeah, so I'm currently just gonna jump off because I'm gonna stop vlogging now because I have to stay on the phone to my insurance, and it's super duper fun. By the way guys, I got a new camera. What do we think? I'm thinking I'm obsessed. It's great. I got the Olympus pen. Again, I'll link it down below. Shortly, I will be doing my makeup and getting dressed because I have to film 2 videos today. So, gotta get on it. Also, if you guys haven't seen, I've been blogging loads and loads and loads. Head over to my blog, check it out. I have been really enjoying creating posts on there. So let me know what you think, and if there's anything else you'd like to see on there, let me know, obviously, in the comments down below. Also, just to talk you through my day, obviously I know, oh my god, my arm's dying. Oh. So I mentioned that I'm going to be working from home all day and filming videos, but I am also going to a Pilates class later on. So just to kind of give you an idea of how much like moving around I'm doing, I tend to try and do a hike or a Pilates class or something most days, just because I am sat down at my desk or in my car or whatever. So I like to kind of keep myself moving. And yeah, I'm gonna stop babbling now and hopefully, fingers crossed, my insurance company hurry up and talk to me because I've been on hold a long time. But yeah, I'm gonna go and I will see you guys in a bit. So it is 2:30 and many hours later. I am currently eating a delicious bowl of pesto pasta. It's a dairy-free pesto that they have at like Whole Foods and L1 and lots of different places. It's really delicious. And then just a mix of pasta. It's yummy, I'm hungry, it's 2:30, so it's been quite a few hours since I've eaten anything. I've filmed 2 videos. As you can see, I'm a bit more made up than I was before. And then I'm gonna eat this, get back to it, and then I'm gonna go to a Pilates class later, and I think I'm probably just gonna pick a salad up, but I will show you it when I get there. But right now, I'm gonna enjoy this, because it's really good. So it is now dinner time and I am put together a very simple salad just because I wanted something kind of light and healthy for dinner. I'm currently cooking a burger. I am actually making, this is the salad, very basic, it's just mixed greens, some little baby tomatoes and some onions. And then I'm making one of these. This is the Beyond Meat Beyond Burger plant-based patties. They're amazing, so delicious. I'm literally just grilling it on the skillet right now. Once I've put it all together, I will show you what it looks like, but it's really quick, really simple, and I like to make this all the time. So this is the burger patty fresh off the grill, and I literally just, I used no oil, nothing, just popped it in a non-stick pan. I'm just gonna slice it into like little cubes, like so. Such a good source of protein when you're a veggie, and I love this because it's not, I don't think it has soy in it. Yeah, no soy, which is amazing for me because soy gives me a really bad stomachache. Oh, Enzo's crying. So I've just popped a little bit of balsamic glaze on top, and then finally I'm going to throw on a few pumpkin seeds that have toasted with a little bit of spice. We just buy these from the store. And that is it. That is my dinner, and it's very yummy, very tasty. So I'm going to enjoy this now. I'm going to have a bunch more water so that I am well hydrated after my Pilates class. You guys, I really hope you enjoyed this what I eat in a day. I'm going to enjoy my yummy salad. Let me know in the comments down below what other types of videos you'd like to see. Would you like that fitness video? Maybe I'll put that together. Let me know, and as always, subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!